Why spend hours at the salon when you can be your own nail tech at home? With my high-quality press-on nails, you'll get salon-perfect nails in minutes, without the high price tag or appointment hassle. They're durable, stylish, and reusable, giving you the freedom to switch up your look whenever you want. Affordable, easy, and flawless, these press-ons are the perfect beauty hack every woman needs. Saturday, November 9th, 2019, 3:42 p.m., Velour Nails and Spa, Uptown Charlotte, North Carolina. The weekend rush was in full swing at Velour Nails and Spa, a modern salon with blush pink walls, velvet chairs, and rows of gel polish bottles arranged like tiny soldiers under the glow of chandeliers. The air smelled of lavender cuticle oil mixed with fresh coffee from the cafe next door. Blow dryers from the adjoining hair salon hummed faintly in the background, blending with the constant chatter of clients. At Station 5, 34-year-old Kendra Willis was halfway through her set, a coffin-shaped acrylic with holographic foil tips. Kendra was known around Charlotte as the Hustler, a boutique owner with an eye for fashion and a mouth that never stayed quiet. She had her phone propped up against the table, FaceTiming a friend while her nail tech, Lynn Tran, sculpted the acrylic. At 3:58 p.m., Kendra excused herself mid-appointment, saying she needed to take an important call. Witnesses remember her stepping outside, her designer heels clicking against the tile, her caramel trench coat sweeping behind her as the bell above the salon door jingled. She left her bag, her phone charger, even her half-finished coffee sitting by the nail table. But here's the part that makes this story stick in your bones. Kendra never came back. By 4:37 p.m., Lynn had finished prepping the next client and realized Kendra's seat was still empty, her gel still uncured. The half-finished nails glimmered under the lamp like they were waiting for her return. At first, everyone thought maybe she ditched the appointment. Clients flake sometimes. But when the salon closed that night, her purse was still there. And to this day, nobody knows what happened to her. No body, no trace, just a trench coat caught on a security camera 3 blocks away. And a set of unfinished nails that still haunts the salon staff every time they look at Station 5. By Sunday morning, November 10th at 9:12 a.m., Velour Nails and Spa was buzzing with whispers. Clients from the day before had already started calling, asking if it was true that someone had gone missing right in the middle of a set. Lynn tried to keep her composure, but she couldn't shake the image of Kendra's half-polished nails sitting under the UV lamp, frozen in time. She had even left one of her rings, a chunky gold band, sitting on the towel, like she meant to slip it back on. The police arrived by mid-morning, 2 uniformed officers followed by a detective in a gray suit. They snapped photos of Station 5, bagged the ring, the half-empty latte cup, and even the unused nail form still on the desk. To the staff, it felt surreal, like their chic little salon had suddenly turned into a crime scene. But the strangest part? When the detective asked to check the security footage, they realized something chilling. The camera pointing at the front door had gone black at 3:59 p.m. Exactly 1 minute after Kendra stepped outside, Lynn swore she saw a flash of movement through the glass that day, a man leaning against a black SUV parked across the street. She didn't recognize him, but something about his posture stuck in her memory. When she mentioned it to the detective, his expression hardened. "You're not the first person to mention a black SUV." That was the first hint that Kendra's disappearance might not have been random at all. By Monday afternoon, November 11th at 2:26 p.m., flyers with Kendra's photo, her bright smile, and signature red lipstick were taped to every light pole up and down 7th Street. Local news vans crowded the block outside Velour Nails and Spa, their reporters trying to snag interviews with staff and clients. The salon, once a haven for gossip and glitter, now carried the heavy silence of fear. Even regulars whispered as they picked polish colors, glancing nervously at the still empty Station 5. Inside, Maya, the salon's manager, tried to keep business running, but she noticed something odd while reorganizing the supply drawers. Tucked beneath the paper towel stack at Kendra's station was a small slip of paper folded in half. On it, written in smudged ink, were 3 words: "Don't trust him." The handwriting was shaky, rushed. Maya froze, her mind racing. Did Kendra write this? Was it left as a warning? And most importantly, who was him? When Maya showed the note to the detective, he didn't look surprised. Instead, he slid it into an evidence bag and said quietly, "That matches the handwriting we found on a receipt left in her car." The way he said it made Maya's skin prickle. If Kendra had been trying to send a message, then maybe just maybe, the salon had been her last safe space before everything went wrong. To the channel where mystery meets obsession. I break down chilling cases, shocking twists, and unsolved stories you won't stop thinking about. Disclaimer: the crime stories shared on this channel are fictional and created purely for entertainment purposes. Viewer discretion is advised, as the themes may still include sensitive or suspenseful content. Watch as I bring you thrilling tales well. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. All of these press-ons will be available on my TikTok shop very soon, and I am so excited to share them with you. I'd love to know, what's your favorite press-on style? Drop your favorite shape, size, or color in the comments. I'll also be offering large, medium, and small sizes, so there's something for everyone. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. And that's not all. I'll also be going live with true crime stories, behind-the-scenes content, and more fun surprises while we chat about nails. It's going to be the perfect mix of beauty and mystery, so make sure you're following along.